Welcome to this video, guys. Let's see how we can update our Windows OS from Windows 10 to Windows 11 easily. So first, go to this URL. I'll have this link in the description below. You can just click on this to open this and scroll down. So first we will need to download Windows 11 ISO so that we can install it and update our Windows 10 system. Scroll down. Don't click on these two download now buttons. We want to download the ISO, not the installation media. Alright, from here select Windows 11 multi-edition ISO for x64 devices. And now in the language, I'll just choose English International. You can choose whatever you want and then click on confirm. Now again, Microsoft will validate your request and you will get a download link. Now you need to download 64-bit version, so click on the 64-bit download and your ISO will be downloaded. Now this might take a few minutes to a few hours in your case, so I already have this downloaded. Once the download is complete, just go to downloads folder. Here you have your ISO. I'll move it to my D drive. Okay, it is suggested to move this to a different drive than C drive. I'll just paste it here. Okay, so Windows 11 ISO is inside this drive, right? Now right click on the ISO and click on mount. Now this will put your ISO in mount mode and this will extract the files inside this. Now let's wait till the mount is complete. So after a while you'll see this dialog box. Just click on open and now you will be inside the mounted drive. So as you can see, the drive is G. Now we need to open command prompt inside this folder. So a shortcut is just click on this address bar here and type cmd and hit enter. Now this will open command prompt inside your newly mounted drive. So in your case it might be E, F or whatever. Here in my case it is G. Now you need to enter this command. So I'll have this command in the description below. You can just copy it from there. So the command is setup/product and then server. So let's enter this command, setup/product and then server. Now hit enter. And if you're asked do you want to allow this app to make changes, click on yes. And as you can see, Windows 11 installer is now open. Now just click on next. So after a few seconds, you'll see this. Now scroll down and click on accept. Now you'll get to choose if you want to keep files and settings. And in my case, as you can see, it is saying that I'll have to uninstall all the apps. This will be a fresh installation. I only get the option to keep files. If you want, you can just do a fresh installation and click on nothing, and this will remove everything else from your system also, and you will get a fresh installation of Windows 11. So I'll choose to keep files, and if you have an option to choose apps also, you can keep this. Click on this and it will keep your apps and games and softwares, everything else too. Now just click on next.